Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we are commencing our class. Inshallah, we are going to learn about the Arabic alphabet, hence we can recite the Holy Quran. We are referring a wonderful book, Iqra, read in the name of Allah. This book is published by Quest Foundation. Inshallah, this book will guide us and help us to learn Arabic alphabets. Hence, we can recite Holy Quran fluently. Let's commence our class. We are just beginning the Arabic alphabets. This is Alif. Alif. Lam. Lam. This alphabet is Sin. Sin. Dal. Dal. This one is Ya. Ya. This one is Kha. Kha. Jeen. Jeen. Sheen. Sheen. Ain. Ain. This one is Ta. Ta. This alphabet is Ha. Ha. Mim. Mim. Kaf. Kaf. Ghain. Ghain. This one is Ha. Ha. Noon. Noon. Ba. Ba. Wow. Wow. Let's recite the alphabets once again. Alif. Lam. Sin. Dal. Ya. Kha. Jim. Sheen. Ain. Ta. Ha. Mim. Kaf. Ghain. Ha. Noon. Ba. Wa. Inshallah, we will learn the more alphabets and 2-letter words and 3-letter words later on. May Allah bless us to learn more about the Islam.